Hi and welcome. This is day 4 at the Microsoft Ignite 2019 and we are here in Orlando. And today with me some very special people. Yeah, there's Julia, Doris and Vicky from the Outlook calendaring team. Yeah, great to have you with me.
Yes, thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, and with Vicky, I have a special thing. Yeah. So yesterday I sent an invite to everybody, to the girls. Yeah, and Julia told me that she's responsible for the room booking. Yeah, so I asked her to book a room in this building. But Victoria, yeah, what you were like? Oh, what's this guy talking about? Yeah, I have no clue how to get rooms here. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah,
Huh?
so Sigi thought I did room booking for all of the world, I guess, and he thought maybe you can find me a room at Ignite. And I'm like, no, Sigi, I do room booking for Outlook. So a little confusion, but now we cleared it.
Absolutely. So Vicky, what's the highlights you presented during this week?
Yeah. So today, Julia at her session, she presented a lot of interesting things that we're doing in Calendar. And for room booking, we've invested so much to make it better in Outlook. A really cool thing that we released is the ability to filter for rooms by capabilities, like what type of audio device or display, etc. And you can also do by floor and capacity. So that's really exciting. And then we also released an API and a commandlet so that you can set this metadata. So you can have the option of whatever you prefer. So some future stuff that we also want to work on is how can we automate the process for you? So right now we're giving you a very kind of, you go in and look for what you want and then you go and pick a room. And so in the future we're thinking, can you just tell us that you want a room and we'll figure that out for you with all your preferences.
Awesome, and maybe anytime soon we get like the room booking where we are, like really to book a room inside this building, even if you are not related to it. Thanks, Vicky. What about you, Doris?
Hi everyone, I'm Doris. My mission is to make it really easy for you to find time for all of your events. So the cool features that we've announced at Ignite this year include time suggestions, currently available on Outlook on the web. So you might notice that when you're on the web, when you type in your attendee's name and there's little 3 pills underneath the time picker that tells you when you're both free. So our mission is to reduce the amount of time that you need to spend by looking at everyone's free, busy, and scheduling assistant. And the other thing, really exciting thing that we announced at Ignite is your well-loved add-in Find Time is now completely 100% compliant within O365 compliance boundary. No data will be flowing to Azure in North America. For those of you who are watching this in Europe, I know you're really excited about this. So check it out, deploy this, and let me know if you have any feedback. And for futuristic things, as Victoria mentioned, we want to provide more assistance for you in general in scheduling. We have a big initiative around assisted scheduling, and I want to do more of that to help you find a time. These are top secrets. I can't say more, but stay tuned.
Cool. So Julia.
Yeah, sure.
So in some three main things that we've been talking about is first is that you can do all of your calendaring now from your mobile phone. So mobile is just as rich with calendaring functionality. The second thing we've been talking a lot about is new calendar capabilities, like the ability to hide the attendee list on the meeting, new meeting options such as cancel from this day forward. And we'll keep working on that because a lot of people have come by the booth and said, I really need change organizer. And so that might be something we're talking about next Ignite. And the third thing is about intelligence within your calendar and making sure that you don't have to manage your own calendar. So letting you know if the conference room has declined the meeting or letting you know if there's a document on your calendar invite that you haven't yet read. So kind of helping you plan and manage without you having to go check it every day.
You see awesome news here from the show floor here at Ignite. Yeah, and we are really happy to have you here. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. Well, basically, you will see a lot of this content being in the blogs and on Practical 365 very soon. Yeah, I thank Julia, Doris, and Vicky for their time. Thank you very much, and enjoy the show.
Yes, thank you.
Good to see you.
Yes, thank you.
Goodbye.